everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, thanks for joining me. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notifications. If you are returning, welcome back. I love you all so much. This week for Motivation Monday, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that's very passionate to me, and also I reached out to you guys on Instagram and I wanted you guys to give me a topic of something that you wanted me to discuss for this week's Motivational Monday video. So because of what I wanted to talk to you about today, also played into what CHELLIE, who is an amazing set designer by the way, she's on my team, she wanted me to talk about perseverance this week. So I'm going to talk to you guys about I started my own online boutique. I finally did it, and I'm so freaking excited to see where this journey takes me. I've always loved fashion, and I've always wanted to get into the industry somehow. So Poshmark is actually how I got my start. I opened a Poshmark closet after going to ComplexCon, and I was just like so blown away and inspired by Gary Vee and some other people that I saw on the panel, and I was like, well, if they can do it and resell and this and that, then I can too. So I started my Poshmark closet, and I was getting sales like crazy. I'm still getting crazy sales on my Poshmark, but then I was like, I want to take this further, you know. I want to research, I want to see how I can actually start my own boutique, like my own legit online boutique. Because obviously, let's be real, I'm an actor, I'm a content creator for you guys, I'm a producer, director, writer, the list goes on. I have another business, which is my production company, so I really don't have time, honestly, to have a standalone storefront. So I've been researching, I've like looked at so many YouTube videos, and I literally did it. I got my seller's permit, I went and met with vendors. I'm now selling the same stuff that Fashion Nova sells, guys. This jacket literally is in my store. Like, my products are literally from the same vendor as Fashion Nova. I'm just gonna put that out there. I'm just gonna say that, you know, at a more affordable cost as well. So I'm really super excited. So I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, I started my own business, and so with starting my own business, perseverance had to be a part of that, obviously, right? So with starting your own business, you have to have perseverance. You have to be okay with rejection. You have to be okay with continuing to move on. And I am just, of course, like, I just launched my website, and of course, you know, I'm still brand new, like, with having an online store, so it's kind of like, oh, are people gonna look at my website today? Are people gonna buy anything today? But you have to keep going, and you have to see where things are going to take you. So that's literally this week's video. I just wanted to tell you guys, you know, that I opened my own boutique. I'm super excited. So if you guys want to check out my online boutique, I have women's fashion, men's fashion, maybe down the road I will have kids fashion, but for right now I have women and men's fashion, both resale items, and then also I have, of course, new items that you can purchase. I'll have all of the information below in the description box, but you guys, I just had to share with you guys. I've been waiting, and now that the site is officially up and running, I just feel like I can share it with you guys, because you guys, even though I'm here on the camera, I still like consider you guys my friends. Enjoy my online store, share it with your friends, go follow me on Poshmark. I put items up weekly. I offer same-day shipping, so there's just so much. You know, this video is basically, like I said, it's just to share with you guys something exciting that's happened in my life, and also to let you guys know that don't ever give up on anything. Don't ever give up on your dreams. You really have something that you want to do. Do it. Don't think about it. Don't talk about it. Literally do it. Also, with that, keep the perseverance going. Don't give up. Don't, like, if you don't get a sale, if you're trying to open a business, if you don't get a sale right away, you're just starting. No one is perfect, and no one starts off big. Just keep going. Don't give up. Okay? So ladies, if you'd like to purchase this jacket, the link will be below. Guys, like I said, we have men's fashion too. Go to the website, you won't be disappointed. So that's pretty much it for this week's Motivational Monday video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you are leaving inspired. If you have any questions about how things are going with the business, how I started it from scratch, how I thought about it, or anything like that, make sure you leave a comment below. I love responding to you guys. Other than that, you guys, I am just looking forward to growing this business even more. Once again, thank you guys so much for joining me. I will see you next week. Bye!